Okay, all right. So in this session, we are going to cover, which is very, very important topic. If you want to run internet business, is about content creation, personal branding. It's a it's an important part of your business, creating content, but a lot of people find very difficult. Okay, so my team here from Scalify, my team member Vishek is working on the AI part. He's very good at AI content creation, hacking, AI funnel is very good at that. So now in this session, you're going to learn how to leverage AI to create content. And my team member Abhishek will help you. He will give a nice presentation in this session, how to leverage AI to create content creation. Okay. So let's start. I'm going to hand over to you, Abhishek. Abhishek, are you there? Can you hear me? Can you start? Abhishek, are you there?
Yes, yes, I am. I'm
Okay.
audible.
So you can start now. Uh,
Okay, okay,
you can
okay.
stay. You can
Give
share
me
your
1 second.
screen and you can start now. Okay. All right. So
Right.
please, guys, just welcome Abhishek. Can you put in chat box? Welcome Abhishek. He's going to share his knowledge. Okay, and he's a part of our team Excalify, where he's helping in खासकर जो AI का जो portion है, like content creation, hacking, those all things. So he's working on those projects. Okay, so over to you, Abhishek. Let's start and let's help our people to understand how we can hack AI, how we can create AI with help of AI. Okay, so this is over to you.
Thanks a lot, Raz. It's a great opportunity, by the way. So, hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. Before introducing, I want to know your energy. How many of you excited for this content hacking with AI session? And first of all, why people are not in the camera? किसी को शर्म आ रही है क्या? Is it
No, camera is not enabled. They will not
okay?
come on camera. So
Oh, is it
let's
okay?
do
No
with
problem.
without
No,
camera.
no
Yeah.
problem. No problem. So, first of all, first of all, I will say congratulations that you are here and you are investing time to just learn the things that really matters. And as we know, today is a Sunday, but still you are investing time, right? So let me introduce myself. So my name is Abhishek, and I am an author. So last, I think 8 or 9 years, I was in the job, okay, working as a software engineer. So then my passion lie on the businesses, right, and marketing, how to market people and how to, generate businesses out of that, right? So I was more interesting on that. So then I chosen that path, and I am here. I'm helping businesses to startups and newcomers to launch their business successfully, right? So here today we are going to learn how we can hack contents, right? How we can use leverage AI to create our good quality content, not like just creating simply and typing in the AI, hey, Joe, go and create my content. No, here we are going to create some special and good. Okay, Subham says no problem. We can talk. I think you guys can see me, right? Yes, no. Put in the chat if you're able to see me and hear me properly. Guys, come on. I see many attendees here. Amrut, Ariba, Dhanush, Bipin, Ladduji, Mayank, Satish, Sridevi, Abhishek again. Yes, good, good. Okay. So let's make this session interactive. Okay. So because if you not make it interactive, then you will going to sleep. I don't want to make you sleep. So I want everybody to interact and be ready with your copy and notebook so that you can note very exciting things coming up. Okay. So I want you to note down as well. Fine. So first of all, uh, how many of you creating content? Raise your hand or just put in the chat. I am creating content every day. Sridevi say yes. What about others? Me, but not consistent. Okay. Vipin says I. Okay. Okay. What about others? Not regular. Satish says not regular. Okay. What about others? Come on, guys. Come on. खाली मैं यहाँ पे देख रहा हूँ 3 ही 4 लोग चैट मार रहे हैं. बाकी सबका हाथ में ठंडा लग गया क्या? आई नो दिस इज द दिसंबर सीजन, राइट? सो क्रिसमस इज गोइंग ऑन, इट्स सो कोल्ड, राइट? तो थोड़ा सा हाथ चलाएंगे तो थोड़ा गर्मी आएगी, है ना? सो कम ऑन, अदर्स सो गए। ठीक है, मैं सोने नहीं दूंगा, मैं बता रहा हूँ, ठीक है? आई विल नॉट मेक यू स्लीप, डोंट वरी। ओके फाइन। फाइन, चलो तो स्टार्ट करते हैं, लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू कवर टुडे, लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन। So if any moment you find that my screen is not visible, just ping in the chat, screen is not visible, okay? Is it visible now? Yes, no, put in the chat. Yes, yes, okay. So these are the things we are going to cover. Is it too much? Yes, no, it's fine. So we are going to cover customer stages, right? Then copywriting framework. What is copywriting and how to write? I know most of you know the things how to create content, but here we are going to deal with the concepts, right? And how actually you should write your contents in a way that people going to like your content, okay? And also how you can hack your competitors calendar, right? And how you can utilize those contents for your purpose and attract a similar type of audience, okay? So we're going to cover how we can create social media calendar which is AI optimized, right? Then hacking competitors calendar, and how to write articles repurpose. For example, if you write into any blogs, right? If somebody is doing Google search, correct? How you can make your blogs, right, to be no so, or you can say SEO kind of thing, right? How you can at first at very top, right, in the search. So those things also you can going to cover. And then how you can craft YouTube videos using AI, right? And any video to articles, and transforming your videos to articles using AI, right? So I have also some bonuses going to share. So which is very very exciting. So I want you to be here at least till end of this video. Okay, fine. So get started. How many of you excited now? Yes, no. मी ऑलवेज, लड्डू जी ऑलवेज एक्साइट हैं क्या भाई? और लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? कई लोग तो ऐसे आए होंगे कि चल यार देखते हैं क्या करता है बंदा, क्या करेगा, देखते हैं, देख लेते हैं. So I don't want to be, see, I know you may know knowing a lot of things, but here I'm going to tell you something you're going to learn for sure, other than what you have in your mind. Okay, so this is my guarantee. Fine. So be open and be let's interact as much as possible. So first of all, my dear friends, I will talk about customer stages. How many of you know about customer stage? How you identify your customers, at which stage they are? For example, how you come to know your customers going to purchase your offer or purchase your service or product or not? Anybody knows? Anybody knows about any customer stage? Put in the chat, or they are listening just heard this word for first time. Put in the chat. Come on. Yeah, through their pain or desire, as much they in need. Mm-hmm. Okay, so let me share customer stages. What can be the customer stages? So see, there are five types of customer stages. One is first is completely unaware. So I will tell you one example. How many of you remember when Swiggy or Zomato came? Before Swiggy and Zomato came, we do not knowing that we can order these foods, right, online. Nobody was knowing that okay, it is possible to order on online, right? So there is nobody aware about that. Imagine this Flipkart. If Flipkart did not come in our life, how our life will be? We only go and buy offline all these accessories or clothes, right? So when Swiggy came, so then they did marketing and they make aware people that we are here to to make you buy foods online as well, right? So this kind of scenario is called completely unaware, right? Where customer do not know that there is a solution. Okay, there is solution, right? I hope it is understandable. Put in the chat yes, if it is understandable. What is completely unaware? Okay. Now what is problem aware? So problem aware is there are people, right? People are there and they know there is a problem. For example, you maybe wanted to start a business, right? You know why you wanted to start a business? Because you wanted to have a time freedom, or maybe money freedom, or financial freedom. You know the problem. There is a problem, right? But you don't know how to solve this problem, right? So this type of customer is called problem aware. They have the problem, but they don't know how to solve it. Okay. So I know you may have you may have the solutions, but there are some scenario where you will find that people do not know. Sorry, people know problem is there, but they don't know how to solve it. Right. Then third comes solution aware. Those customer who knows there is a problem, they know they have the problem, they also know there is a solution. Right. For example, in any business, we know we want to automate many workflows. Okay. And we know that there is a AI existing for automation. Solution is there, but they don't know how to use that AI for our businesses to automate those things, the workflows. That is that type of customer, we call it as a solution aware. Okay. Okay. Why I'm telling this? Because if you do not know your customers, you're not able to create content. Okay. I mean, you will able to create the content, but you don't know for which customer I need to create the content. At which stage people are there. My audience are at which stages, right? So those should be very, very, known to us. Okay. Then here it comes your product aware. Now, in a business, they know AI is available. In AI, there are Chat GPT, Claude, right? In videos, right? These AIs are available, and we can inbuilt in our businesses, and we can automate, right? So they know the product is there, but still they don't know how to which part of Chat GPT or which part of Claude or which part of in videos we can be used for a business, right? So that type of customer we call as a product aware. So till now, I think you come to know, okay, which kind of content I should create, for whom I should create. How many of you had get some idea that, okay, if people are not knowing this product, then how I should create content, which kind of content I should create? Anybody has got some idea here? Okay, if person is like this, how I should create content? Put in the chat. Yes, no. Come on, guys. Lord, you say yes. What about others? Subham. Okay. Pipin says okay. Yes, right? And the most aware means uh, that person knows, okay, there is a problem, there is a solution exist, and in the Chat GPT, I should not use Chat GPT, I should use Claude because Claude has the better data analysis capability. So I should go for Claude. Okay, understanding. So they are most aware. So these are the customers stages basically. Okay. Now to create our content, we should know how to write content. What should the framework so that people get attract to our content? What is the purpose of content? Anybody knows what is the purpose of content? Very very, very simple question, very bullshit question. Can you just put in the chat why we create content? Come on, guys. To get leads, to communicate. Yes, Dhanush, Ariba, Satish, Sridevi, right? So to get leads, to communicate, to tell that I have a solution, right? To build trust. Okay, only trust. Okay, trust. All of course, trust is required, right? Trust building, awareness, correct? Sati say awareness, right? So how we can make aware, right? So we should have some framework so that people come to know, okay, I have this problem, how I can solve it, right? And how I can interact with this person. So those are kind of framework we should introduce in our content. So anybody knows what are the copywriting frameworks? Anybody has uh, any framework they know? Just put in the chat. Let us say no. Okay. So we have total four copywriting frameworks. Okay. And these are the frameworks which is used for anything, any content or landing page or your ads, Facebook ads, meta ads, YouTube videos, anything, any content. If you're creating, we can use these frameworks for our content. Okay. So the first frame is IDA. What is IDA? Full form: attention, interest, desire, action. So when we creating content, first we create attention by using some hooks. Okay, by hooks we just put some hooks, right? For example, let me give you an example. Uh, I earned 20 lakhs rupees in just 5 months. So it creates curiosity as well as attention, right? Oh my God, 20 लाख रुपए कमा लिया यार, रुको देखते हैं क्या है, right? You should then. Okay, I will share. Don't worry, I will share. Okay. So we are creating attention and then interest. Interest means we are going to create some interest. How I did, how I created this, right? So I will tell some steps there. Okay, I did this and how then I get some leads from here. I get some emails and say I started sending mails. So we are increasing interest. Okay, on that post, and then we create some desire. Okay, if you really wanted to do, then this is a very easiest method uh, through which you can also earn 20 lakhs in just 5 months. Okay, this is the interest now, sorry, desire. Now this is how I'm creating desire. Then action. So if you really wanted to earn 20 lakhs, this is how I'm going to conduct a webinar. I'm going to do one small session, 3-day live event, where you can know where you can know step by step process to launch 20 lakhs in a 5 months. So desire, Laddu ji, desire is nothing but where you create some desire in the your audience. Okay, for example, I said uh, it is easiest way. It is this method is easy way to create 20 lakhs, and it is only made for you only made for you because you are in the job. So now it is creating a desire, right? And I know that you're not earning enough in your current job, right? So we are increasing desire in the audience. Now you tell me, if you create this kind of content, right? This format of content, will your audience will interact with the content or not? Put in the chat, right? So this is one framework. Similar way we have pass, right? Problem, agitate, solution. So we first, if you're not okay, guys, if you're not able to understand anything, just ask me. Okay, I will stop and share. Okay, and anyway, we will have a Q&A session at last. Okay, so if you're not understanding anything, you can just put in the chat here. I am not understanding. Okay, so pass is problem, agitate, and solution. So when we write our content, we first tell problems. This is a problem people are facing if they're not using YouTube for their content. I mean, I'm giving example, right? But YouTube can give you earning is just earning is just after 1K subscribers, and you don't need to put hard work in the YouTube. So I'm creating agitations in the audience, right? But how to do that? Be consistent with your content and just use this framework to create a powerful videos for your YouTube. So this is a solution. So this is a pass format. Okay, understandable? Yes, no, yes, no, guys, come on. So first you just talk about the problem, then you go to then you agitate the problem and then give the solution. Agitation means you just explain, right, about the problem, how you can, how big it is, basically, right? How big it is. Problem is how big it is. If you're not doing this, what is going to happen, right? What you're losing actually. So you are actually, you can say you are amplifying your problem, kind of. Okay, and then you're giving a solution. Clear? Yes, no. Okay. Then here it comes BAB, which is before after the berries. Okay. How it was before, and when I applied this solution, then how it came. Okay. So before and after. You may see, maybe seeing many posts where you say before how I was, and then after taking this solution, how I became, right? So before and after. So that is also kind of copywriting framework. Then here it comes your feature advantage benefits. So maybe you have some, maybe you're selling something. For example, you're selling some pen, maybe, or maybe some beauty products, right? So in the beauty product, you will say some features of the beauty product, right? And then what is the advantage and what is the benefits? So, so in that scenario, you use Fab framework. So these are the copywriting framework you should use in our content. Okay. Till now clear, everybody? Yes, no, or your people are sleeping? Put in chat. If you are sleeping, put in chat yes. वो क्या होता है ना, आदत होती है ना यस लिखने का, तो यस लिख देते हैं. People are sleeping. So Satish is sleeping. Okay, fine. Okay, so we covered how to write contents in which framework I should use. Uh, we are active. Okay, good, great. I can just feel the energy. Okay. Fine. So this is a framework we should always use in our content to make our content attractive, and also if you create this kind of content, people will start reading your content. Also, they attract and get take some action on based on your content. Okay. So try to make these frameworks in your content always, not just go and dance in the content. No, this is not we are going to do here. So we just follow some framework and create the content. Okay. So till now we covered how to what is the copywriting framework, and why we should use in our content, right? So now I'm going to cover AI optimized social media calendar. Okay. So first of all, how many of you already joined our webinar? Our actually AI funnel webinar. Okay. If not joined, do join. Tomorrow is happening because we are going to cover ICP, right? Ideal customer persona. If you do not know your customers, right, how are you going to create your content? Yes or no? No problem, Bipin. Tomorrow there is a webinar. Go and attend. So there you come to know why ICP is needed. ICP is full form is ideal customer persona. Okay. So basically, if you have some kind of business, right, or you are selling something, or you have some product to sell in the market, right, to whom you should sell, who is your audience, you should know properly, right? So ICP can be a person. For example, if I am selling some email marketing service, right? So I can sell to any business, right? For example, any coach who is running a uh, business on mindset coaching, or maybe fitness coaching, right? So I can just email to those people who have who wanted to lose weight, or who wanted to gain weight, or build muscles, right? So I can get the email from those people. I can give to the that person to just talk with those people of their for their services, right? So we should know who needs that service, right? Who is your ideal customer? So for that, you don't need to do and go and research manually and find out. No, I have a prompt which will give you your right customers. Okay. So how many of you excited for this prompt? And let me open the chat GPT. Okay, by the way, these prompts, whatever I'm going to use, you can just run this prompt anywhere, any LLM platforms, chat GPT, Gemini, right? Cloud, right? All these will give you the same results. Don't worry. Fine. Just let me see. Let me just disable the annotations. Okay. So I will use Chat GPT here for now. Okay. So so we should know our customers. So to get my customer, for example, put in the chat anybody. I wanted to see for which business would like to create content. Put in the chat. I wanted to create for this kind of healer. Okay, coaching. Swam says coaching. Okay, coaching in the which coaching? Healer. Okay, soft skill coaching. Okay, soft skill trainer. Fine. Okay, let's go with the soft skill trainer. Okay. So what I will do to get the problems, I have one prompt. Let me just copy this prompt and I will explain this prompt. Don't worry. Okay. And this prompt can be used for free as free in the free chat GPT, okay, as well as in the paid one. So both will give same result. There is no big changes, okay. So if you see here my prompt, give me just 1 second. Okay. So what I'm saying to chat GPT, see, if you understand the concept, right, prompt is not a big thing, okay. So I'm saying chat gpt, hey chat gpt, you are a seasoned serial entrepreneur, okay, we started multiple companies, now now you are helping others entrepreneurs to establish their businesses and startups, right? So your job is to evaluate the idea under this framework and provide unbiased opinion, which is based on real time data. Okay, so basically, I'm telling ChatGPT to you are act as a serial entrepreneur, and based on your data, right, and some search, you do these things. What is the problem of my customers, right? And what is your ideal customer persona for my idea in the sense we're going to write here idea. For example, you said soft skill, right? uh, soft skill, soft skills, soft skill coach. Okay, so this is the idea, soft skill coach. For this I'm looking for ideal customer persona. Okay, so who is my ideal customer, what is the problem with them, those things I'm asking. Okay, let me just enter this prompt. So it just given me the problems, right? And who is my ICP is I basically corporate professionals, okay? Recent graduates, right? Mid-level managers, entrepreneurs. So basically, mostly soft skill who needs IT people, right? Corporate professionals, graduates who is not good at the soft skills, right? Like presentations, right? And communications. So all those people may be need this. Soft skill coaching, correct? So but we need to understand what are the problems they are facing. So these are the problems I just figured out. Okay, clear? Yes, no? Put in the chat. Yes, it is clear. Come on guys, ऊपर से तो नहीं जा रहा है. Okay, give me just 1 second. I just open the chat bar. Okay, clear, sir. Okay, fine. Fine. It's where I can get this prompt. Okay, I will share the prompt. Don't worry. Okay, I will share. Fine. So we got the problem now. Now, what we will do, we're going to create social media calendar for us using these problems. Okay. So for this, I have one prompt. I will just describe this prompt. Just let me copy this and I will just create one more, you know, no, let it create here only, no problem. Okay. Okay. So here I'm telling Chat GPT, hey Chat GPT, create social media content based on the following framework. Following framework here I'm not going to write. I will write the one framework. You can write IDA or pass. Let's create with the pass. Okay. Pass means what is the full form of the pass? Problem, agitate, solution, right? So create a social media content based on the following framework, which is pass. Make it make it for Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. I am posting every day. It's a very simple prompt. There's no big science here, right? And you can just give your company details, what you do, service, for example, soft skill coaching, right? Where you are providing the service. I am providing the India. Industry is a coaching industry. Clear? Is that clear? Yes. Okay. Now here are it's saying here are my ICP psychographics. So what I will do, I will just press enter here and paste the. That's what I was not doing. Let me just copy here again here. I will just copy this whole thing. Okay. Let me copy this. So till problem and ICP, I just copied. Okay, and I will paste it here. Fine. That's all. And then let's press enter. See, it's creating. How many of you mind blown? See, it's creating the day one, day two, day three, day four, day five. And what is the problem, agitation, solution? So you can just combine them and create one post. So you see, and also it's giving topics, correct? For each topics for day one, day two, day three, day four, day five, right? And these all things, you see. Not only that, you can also let me do one thing. I think I need to open one more tab of Chat GPT. Uh, what I will do, I'll just copy this full thing. I'll just rerun. I will show you one more thing here. Till now, clear or not? Put in chat. Yes, clear. Yes. So we get some calendar. You see, full Excel. You can just copy paste full Excel in the Google Doc, Google Excel, or your MS Excel, wherever, and just copy paste every day. But I have better way to do that. Don't worry. So is that clear till now? So we able to create a pass format content. Okay. Now I just one second. I just reran the above prompt in this other window. I need this because I need to copy paste from here. So in this prompt, what I have done, let come to the ICP again. In ICP, we just got the problems, right? But I want to know what is the dream outcomes of the customers, right? For example, if you wanted to create this one, before after the breeze, you may need dream outcome, yes or no? What will happen after the if I use the solution, we should know, right? Dream outcome you should know, right? For that purpose, I will go deep down on my ICP. What is the dream outcome of my customers? What is the fear they have? So all those things, I created one more prompt. Let me copy that. So I will just put it here. And let me explain this. So I'm selling the idea. The idea is soft skill coaching, right? Soft skill coaching. Okay. Coaching where you're selling in India. Let's say I'm Indian selling. Okay, so I'm asking ChatGPT, give me these all things: problem, fears, objection, challenge to solve problem, all those things, right? Problems, and also I'm saying, please answer the questions as my ideal customer persona who is suffering from the problem of, I will say here, from the suffering from above problems. Okay, so I don't want you to just copy paste again the problems and put it here. I just said, chat GPT, you just go and check your chat in the above problems, whatever you find. As per that, you create these more details of my customers. Okay, simple. If you know the concept, there is a no big deal to create the prompt. It's easy, but you should know the concept behind it. Clear? Yes, no? Put in chat. Yes. Okay. Clear. Okay. Let me run this. So, ChatGPT is writing for us problem, right? So, fears, all those in details. Now, if you wanted to create in the fab format, in the BAB format, right? BAB format, before, after the breeze, you should tell ChatGPT ki, okay, I didn't come here, right? Let me just create first here. Okay. Okay. We covered this past one, right? So if you wanted to create the BAV format, we should tell the dream outcome. Okay. Because it is before, after bees. After what will happen? It's talking about the dream outcome. Yes or no? So we should tell here in the chat GPT, in the last prompt here, maybe I can go and show you. So here where it created for us, I can just go and edit and tell, hey chat GPT, I can say here at the end, below are my customers dream outcome, and then I just go and copy from here. Where is the dream outcomes? Here, just copy paste, copy, and just paste it here. Okay. And at the top where we said pass framework, we say BAB framework. Clear? Yes or no, guys? Till now clear? Okay. And then send. Before, after. See, ChatGPT is understanding. Okay, what is BAB? Now, based on the BAB, it's creating. You see here, before, after breeze, right? On top of that, you can also modify, right, based on your requirement. It's not the final one. You need some extra thing. For example, you may be wanting just mention this before, after the breeze. You just tell ChatGPT, don't mention, just write full paragraph itself instead of mentioning the before, after. I just copy paste the content and then paste into the social media profiles. Simple, right? So that also you can tell to ChatGPT. Clear? Yes, no. Till now, how many of you enjoying this? Please save this chat GPT conversation, sir, and please. Okay, we'll do that. Yes, guys. Till now, me 100%. What about others? Exciting. Pipin says exciting. Others, guys, come on. Uh, I see many people are Hari, Sati, Satyam, Tesla, Amrut, Akriti, Clear. Okay, meaningful. Hmm. Okay, of course it will be meaningful. Once you will start using it, you will find it. Okay. Okay. So we covered how to create our social media calendar using this all copywriting framework, which really means for us, and it means to our customer as well, and how to use our ICP for crafting or posts. Fine. Now there is a very exciting coming up, hacking competitor calendars. Okay, my net is fluctuating. It's fine. You can. I'll see if we get the recordings. We'll say it. Okay. So hacking competitor calendar, right? So I'm not going to talk about Facebook and other stuffs. Mainly, I'm going to talk about LinkedIn and Instagram, right, and YouTube as well. So because these are the platforms where you can get leads easily. Okay. So here I'm going to cover how to use LinkedIn in better way. Okay. So suppose how many of you knows their competitors? Put in the chat. I know my competitor. Me, Suam says me. What about others? Laddu ji. Okay, good. At least you should know your competitors, what they are doing. Okay. Bipin says me. Okay, great. See, if you really wanted to, create content, you should not do so much hard work. Instead, you just, steal the content and rewrite in your way. Okay. How to do that? Simple. Go to LinkedIn. I have some LinkedIn content. Let me show you. See, for example, it's LinkedIn. Okay. So in the LinkedIn, maybe I can just search any of my content competitors, and then I can go to any post. Maybe this one. Okay. I just copy this full thing. hmm, Right. And I will go back. And I will go back to ChatGPT. Just let me just hide these floating controls. Here I will say rewrite below post for my LinkedIn. Okay, and I just 1 second. So I'm not copying actually. I'm just recreating from post. Okay, clear? Is that clear? I'm not doing anything. I just copied and just say I said ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, go and rewrite this. You see, it's rewriting for us. And same thing you can go and copy paste to your LinkedIn profile, because it's maybe you can go and find out first which is good working content in LinkedIn, who on which post on your competitor profile people are interacting. Okay, right? And who which post is more has a more views. Based on that you can just copy, and then you can just say ChatGPT recreate for me this post. Clear? This is easy, right? Yes, no? मेरा लिंक्डइन पोस्ट नहीं करता क्यों? अच्छा नहीं पोस्ट नहीं क्या करता है फिर? Okay, so we'll come to that. We'll come to the Instagram as well. Don't worry. Okay. So here, not only that, see, I can rewrite this full post in the our my format. I can say, I can just edit it here and say, rewrite the below post in pass format, right? Simple. See, it will rewrite in the pass format for us, and just you can just go and copy paste same thing, right? Similar way you can go in the a BAB format. So based on your competitors post you can just repurpose content for your profiles, right, in the various formats of copywritings, right? Understanding? Yes, no? Put in the chat. Right. So but one thing you see, if you do how long it will take to do this? I mean, every day you go and copy paste and then say ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, do this for me. Then I will copy from ChatGPT and paste it to my profile. It will take a lot of time. Yes or no? Put in chat. Yes or no? How about if I tell you there is a way to automate this? Imagine if you were able to create all these posts, 2000 posts or 1000 posts in just 3 or 4 minutes. Fantastic. People say fantastic. What about others? Means Laduzi didn't understand. Okay, so means Laduzi, what I'm trying to say, अभी आप क्या कर रहे हो? Now you are just you just went to any of your competitor's profile and just copied, and you went to Chat GPT, right? And then you just pasted here, and you have created a post. Now what you will do? You will just copy paste to your profile and post, right? Yes or no? So suppose there are many, you wanted to post maybe 50 posts. So 50 times you have to do the same thing. Yes or no? 50 times I have to do the same thing. Getting my point? Yes, no. Put in the chat. Right. So it is very hectic, right? Don't worry. AI can solve you this problem. And I will show you how. Hmm? Excited? You okay? Fine. Killer guys. Okay, so let me tell you how you can do this. So there are many automation tools. Okay, for example, there is a tools called Phantom Buster, and then TextAU. These are the tools which will help you to scrap your LinkedIn profile data or Instagram profile data or many others data. Okay, so note it down: Phantom Buster or TextAU. Okay, so they give some free versions you can use for your purpose and try out. I want all of you to try today. Okay, so what I'm going to say now here, I want everybody to use it. Clear? Phantom Buster. Don't worry, I will show you. Okay. So here, let me go to. Okay, before going to before sharing this, I wanted to warn here everybody. Warning, warning, warning. So don't do with your actual profile. I would suggest create a dummy profile, LinkedIn profile, and do this automation because LinkedIn don't like these automations. Okay, and they maybe ban your profile. Clear? Yes or no? So create a dummy profile and do there. Don't use your actual LinkedIn profile. The automations, any automations you do, any type of automation you do, don't use your actual profile. Create a dummy profile and use it. Here I'm using some dummy profile. Why they don't like? Because there is a privacy, right? They don't like to spam. It for them it is spam, right? They don't want to give some data, right? They don't want to share data to some people person. If you how you can share your data, right, to everybody? Yes or no? So for privacy they stop this. Understanding? So automation is not, they don't like automation because because LinkedIn is a place where people connect to the businesses, right? And uh, and they don't want to share every data to people, right? And they don't trust you who you are. Yes or no? Clear? Yes, no, Laduzi. So I'm going to share you how to use Phantom Buster. Okay, here. So in the Phantom Buster, you can go and just search in the Phantom Buster. Spelling is PHANTOMBUSTR. जस्ट यार ये छोटा बच्चा मैं नहीं और बताऊंगा, ठीक है? जस्ट देख लो, इसमें फैंटम बस्टर लिखना है. राइट डाउन फैंटम बस्टर, विल गेट इट. ओके. और टेक्सएयू इज आल्सो देयर. If you search for TextAU, okay, this is also help you to automate TextAU. Okay, या पेड है, कुछ लिमिट है इसके, ठीक है, बट फॉर नाउ यू शुड यूज फॉर फ्री just to explore. Okay, and if you like, if you think that it is really work for you, and if you think that yes, yes, this for me it is really worth, to buy, then you go for paid version. But you can use for free and try outs. Clear? Yes, no? Okay, fine. So I just log into the Phantom Buster, and here what I will do, I will go to just go to solutions, okay? Solutions, and go to LinkedIn. If you go to solution, this page will open. Okay, you okay? You
Abhishek,
not?
yeah, you're not sharing your screen.
Okay, okay.
Phantom Buster.
Guys, as I said earlier, please interrupt me in case you're not able to see my screen. Okay, let me share my whole screen itself. No worries. Is my screen is visible now? Yes, no. Okay, fine. So this is a Phantom Buster, okay? And here, maybe you're not able to see last time I post I was copying. This is the post I was copying, man. So you should just tell me. I'm not able to see my screen. It clearly shows people are sleeping. Okay, so don't sleep because good things are coming up. Hmm? So now I am in the Phantom Buster. What I will search here, I will go to LinkedIn here. First, click on LinkedIn here. Okay, and here I just search for activity. So you will find one automation called LinkedIn Activity Extractor. So what it does actually, it will extract the activity of a profile, LinkedIn profile. Okay. So if you use this Phantom, click on the user Phantom, and here you need to provide the profile URL of the person. Okay. So either you can provide a number of profiles, maybe you have multiple profiles, right? So you can provide the seat where you have multiple profiles or a single URL. So right now, what I will do, I will go to any profile. Let me uh, search any profile. For example, okay, that lady only will take. Anna Ledson. Okay, okay. So what I will do, she is actually posting a lot of things. So I see, or maybe you can search for Ankur Variku, right? This person, this person also is posting a lot of things, right? See, so 5 hours before. Okay, this person is posting. So what I will do, I'll just copy this full URL of LinkedIn. Okay, profile Ankur Variku. You see till here. I'll copy this and paste it here. Okay, and then click on save. And here you need to connect your LinkedIn. So my LinkedIn is already connected. So as I told you guys, don't use your actual profile. Create dummy profile to do this experiment. Otherwise, don't come to me. Abhishek, you told me this, that. My account is blocked. Okay, so I don't want to listen that. Fine. So I just created a dummy profile. This is a dummy profile, and I using that. Okay. And then here you don't need to do anything. Just connect your LinkedIn profile and click on save. And see, these are the things you can extract from LinkedIn: posts, articles, comments, reactions, document, newsletter, events. For that particular profile, you can extract these things. Okay. And how many posts you can see? For example, I wanted to extract 100 posts. So I can give numbers. 100 numbers of posts you extract, go and extract. Okay. Then save. Then click on save, launch manually, save, then click on launch. Now what it's doing, actually it's running a automation internally. Okay. And it goes to that person profile and extract the posts, all posts, and it will give you one Excel sheet where you will find all the list of posts. Is that clear? Yes, no, guys still there, or it is going out of head. Come on. Yeah, Sadiq say yes. Hari say yes. Okay. Okay, taking time. 5%. Okay. So you can give 1,000 numbers of post, right? 100 number post, 50 number of post, 20 number of post. It's up to you. Hmm? So let's wait. 22%. So because I gave 100, so it is taking time. And I'm using free for now. Okay. So my Phantom Buster is a free one, not the paid one. So it's coming result. Let's wait for time some time. You see here. So we got full data here. You see post URL type, which type of post it is, right? And the image, if it is an image, then image URL, right? And then the post content. What is the post content? So all this data we have. You see here. So till we given 100, right? So 100 post. Okay. It is extracted from our LinkedIn profile. Now what you will do? Go and download the results. So for now, it gives us only 10 rows for free, and it asks for upgrade. Don't worry. As a bonus, I'm going to show you something, and I will show you later at last at bonus session. Okay. For now, you can go and download and use. The moment you download, you will get CSV file. This one result, and if you open this, one second, it's opening. Just give me 1 second. Okay, fine. It's opened. My screen is visible. Yes, no. Okay, fine. So here we got 10 post. Okay, and it says here, if you see the post content, right? Post content, correct? You have the post content, post URL type, what is the type and all, everything it given. Now what we'll do with this data? Let me delete this extra rows. Guys, what we'll do with this data? Anybody has some idea? Rewrite, yes, but how? Let me show you how you can rewrite this. Okay, so what I will do, I will just go to chat GPT again. Okay, and then I will here I will upload the chat GPT. Sorry, I will upload the CSV file. I will just click on attach, upload for computer, and I will just attach this, and I will say chat GPT, hey chat GPT, rewrite, rewrite, or maybe I will tell rewrite first 5 posts, or maybe 8 posts. Just I'm showing you the capabilities. Okay, 8 posts, uh, post in PAS format. Okay, format, or you can write in this way. Maybe just I can just check what is the name of the column. See, if you not mention the column, which column is the post, so maybe ChatGPT will get confused. So I just mention the column name. Okay, post content from the column post format. Okay, is that clear? Easy? Yes, no? मजा आ गया. Mind blown. See, it's writing for us. See. सो ये अब देखो, अब पोस्ट का देखते हैं. सो लेट मी सी द पोस्ट हियर. सो दिस वाज द फर्स्ट पोस्ट. जॉब्स दे come and go, right? So this is a full post. Relationship where this is all things. I don't want to read everything. So based on that, it written for us. See here. Is that clear? I never think these things can happen. Guys, there are a lot of capability I'm going to tell you, okay, in AI. This is just a sample, okay? So similar way I can give, for example, I have this Hannah Larson, right? I have for Hannah Larson, I have thousands posts. See, I extracted thousand posts for Hannah Larson, which I shown the lady, right? Earlier, the LinkedIn. This is, see, this is more than thousand, I think, 700, right? Okay, 670 something. So I can just upload this, upload from computer, and then which one was that? Find this one. See, it has more than 600, 700 posts. Now I can ask ChatGPT, rewrite um, post, post column, rewrite posts from post column in as format. I will say maybe it was thousand, right? So ChatGPT will not able to write at least 600 in a single sort. So I can ask rewrite maybe 10 posts from post column in PAS format. Okay, so ChatGPT will analyze full Excel and then it will write for us. Till now, clear, guys? How we are utilizing ChatGPT? Yes, no, Ladduzi, yes, yes. Okay. Okay, you see. So you can give any format. It's I am just giving some options, right? It's just for understanding that you can give any framework for your purpose. Okay. See, it's writing for us. Okay, fine. So I hope till now clear. Let's move to the next thing, um, which is Instagram. Okay. Okay. So how many of you using Instagram? Makes sense. Okay. More excited for this one. Good. Great. What about others? How many of you sleeping? Okay. How many of you are waking? Still wake? No, wake up. Show your excitement. Put in the chat. Me. Come on, because great things are coming up again. Laddu's me. Akriti me. Okay, me. Okay, great. Something happened to my laptop. It's कम पैसा वाला नहीं है यार लैपटॉप. I don't know why it's again behaving bad thing. Okay, anyway. So Instagram. So the Instagram, suppose you wanted to post and you want to hack your competitors. Okay. So how we can repurpose content from our competitors? Okay. So for example, give me just 1 second. My laptop is behaving strange. Okay. So let me open my one Instagram profile. Okay. So this is a one Instagram profile I have created, new one. Okay. So let's say if we wanted to create repurpose content from our competitors. So suppose we have a fashion based, our page is fashion based, right? We wanted to sell some cloths, right? Or some beauty products, something like that. So let's say for fashion, I was just checking today, so I want to show you how it works. So if you go and search has fashions, fashion related, every post will come up. Okay. So like for example, you see these are the posts. Clear. So I will check once one post, and then I will use that post for my repurposing. For example, this is one, right? Let's take some good one. Okay, let's take this only. Okay, so I wanted to repurpose this content. I wanted to create similar kind of content using AI. Chat GPT. Clear. So I wanted to create this kind of image for my Instagram. Okay, uh, similar kind of content because it's like people are interacting with this kind of content, and if I create my content in the similar way, maybe I will get some views, right? Yes, it is possible, Laduzi. I'm going to show you. I will blow your mind. Okay. So what I will do, I will just so you can go and see. I will come to that. Don't worry. I will come to that. I will come to that. So maybe you will talking about the videos, right? I will come to that. Don't worry. For now, let's talk about the photos. Okay. For what I will do, I will just download this picture first. Either you can download, I can take a screenshot. I'm just taking a screenshot. Okay. I'll just copy the screenshot. You can use any sniping tool, anything. I just uses one tool. Okay. And what I will do, I'll just paste it here. Okay. I just pasted here. And I'll say, describe this image. I have better prompt for this. Okay. Anyway, and let me just copy the prompt. I have written some small prompt for this. Describe this image in detail so that I can replicate with and text to image AI tool. Basically, what we will do, we will create this image again with an AI tool, okay, which is basically text to image AI tool. Okay, so just copy paste this simple prompt. There's no rocket science here. So it's given you some description. Okay, fine, but it's not enough for us. Basically, it's this is the simplest way to do. But if you not go into details of this picture, you may not going to get the a proper image. Okay, proper image prompt basically. Okay, so first of all, how many of you know about any, if you I'm understanding, right? For example, I am here. What you see in surrounding here, can you just explain? Or in a picture itself, in the picture itself, what surroundings you are finding here? Come on, guys. What are the surroundings? Background. Okay. What else? What else? Bookshelf. Bookshelf. Where is a book? Okay, for my bit, my okay. What else? Coat. Okay. Pippin says coat. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, let me explain this. See, in any picture, right? In any picture, there is a subject. Whenever you take any picture, you take some picture of a person, right? Or maybe some landscape. I'm not talking about the landscape picture. I'm talking about a subject where maybe you're taking some of your friend, right? So friend becomes a subject. So if you take the perspective of subject, right? So how you describe the image? Suppose I'm a subject, then Then behind me it becomes a background. Yes or no? And in front of me becomes a foreground. Clear? Yes or no? Understanding? And then perspective, I'm now in, for example, you were saying the quotes, right? Quotes, quote, somebody says bookshelf and quote, right? So if I take perspective of for a subject, so quote is just no, right, yes, right, top right, top right. And also not only that, the color of the images, what is the composition of the color in images? Understanding? So we have the composition for what is the highest composition in the my background? Gray, right? Yes, no, guys. Yes, no. Not only that, the lighting, the focus, right? So how where the light is coming up, right? So lighting matter for us. Lighting, right? Then foreground, background, perspective, right? Subject. So if you know these concepts, then you can create a better image prompt. So don't you no need to worry. I have created a prompt for you that will help you to create um, another AI prompt which can be used in AI text to image generators tools. Clear? Yes or no? Clear. So how we create basically AI prompts for images by using these kind of parameters. Okay. So for example, I have one. Let me just copy this. Now I will ask ChatGPT to describe the image in below parameters. So these were this, right? Just let me paste. Let me show you. So I asked ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, describe the image in below parameters: subject, foreground. Subject is the main focus or point. I mean the as here I'm me, right? Here in this case, this girl is a focus, right? Girl is a subject, right? Yes or no? Then foreground, and then midground. Midground in the sense from background to subject, middle if there is anything. Okay, that is called midground, right? Then background you already know. Composition, right? How the elements are arranged in the image. Then the perspective, the point of view from which the image is taken, right? And then lighting and color. So if you use these kind of parameters in creating your image prompt, then for sure you're going to create a right and quality prompt for image to a sorry, text to image generators. Clear? Yes, no? Clear or not? Now if I just enter this, you see it giving us subject, right? Then foreground, it just describing the based on the images, the what is the subject parameters, what is the foreground, what is the midground, background, composition, everything. Now what I will do with this, I will say chat GPT, now combine all these parameters in one and para, okay, which which has uh, which has where I can say not which, I can say where each line describes each parameter. Or I can say not describe, I can say task. If I say task, describe, it will write a lot of things. Say talks about, okay. So I asked ChatGPT, now combine these, okay, right? And give me the this one, what is one para. Don't write it in this way, just give me one para. Okay. Now what I will do? I will use this full para to create a image. Clear? and I have the tool called Microsoft Copilot, right? Playgrounds, right? Mid Journey is the world, I can say, world greatest image creator tool. So I will go to the first. I will go to Microsoft Copilot, or now it is becomes Microsoft Designer. Okay, so Designer. If you search in the internet, Microsoft Designer, just search for in the Google Microsoft Soft Designer. Okay, and you go. It is free. Don't worry, it's free. It's free. Now, I just create here, create image with AI. Click on images. And here in the transcription, I will just copy paste the para. Is that clear what I'm doing here? Guys, yes, no? No, okay. So what I'm doing, I'm just first here, I use Chat GPT to describe this image in these parameters. Okay, those parameters I just talk about, right? Previous section. And I tell ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, create one para combining all these parameters. Okay, and it created one para, full para. And what this para will be used for? Now there are many text to image generators tools. For example, Microsoft Copilot. Sometimes now it changed. Now Copilot and Designer is changed. So you can just search for Microsoft Designer, or another tool called uh, DaVinci, DaVinci Resolve, right? That also is one. Playground. Playground is also free. If you search for Playground here, Playground AI, right? You'll find it. So basically, it also generates for you images. Okay, but the best way to test your full this is with Microsoft Designer. Okay, so just search for Microsoft Designer and use this full para to just copy paste. And here just write one more line in the beginning. Create. Okay. Or otherwise, let's paste and try out what happens. I just click on generated after pasting the full para. Either I should create or we did some mistake. Let's try. Let's check that. It's generating for us. Okay. You see, similar type of image it's creating. Okay. Is that clear? Yes. No. You can just also download. See, similar. I mean, I know it's not exactly similar, but it's how many of a mind blown for first of all by looking into this. And see, Mid Journey is the best one. So if I go to Mid Journey is a paid tool. Okay. So I have the Mid Journeys. This one. Let me sign in. Mid Journey is another tool which which is for image to, sorry, text to image generator. Give me 1 second. Okay. Let me just go to. Okay. What is this? Go to home. Okay, so I'm in the mid journey. Okay, I just opened a mid journey here. If you go to, is it mid journey or something? Let me check. It says imagine dot. Okay, right. Midjourney.com. If you go to midjourney.com, you'll find it here. Okay, I was in the wrong place. So it's a mid journey. Okay, midjourney.com. You see here. So this is the world best AI tool to generate image from text. Okay. So if you just copy paste here the same prompt, if you go to create, click on create and just paste it here. And I say here create ultra realistic stick. Okay, image, and then enter. Let's see what happens. Till now clear what is happening here? Yes, no, put in chat. So let it create. Mm, okay. So maybe I can just also modify. I can just say here, okay, let it create. I can create, like, I can give more instruction to chat GPT, each parameter. Um, Now combine all these parameters in one para, which where each line talks about each parameter and can be used for image generator tools. Okay, this also is a this can be also modified and do. Let's see how Midjourney is creating. You see, it's more realistic. See here, you can also download. Okay, so for example, this one. So similar type of image. How many of you mind blown now? Yes, no, guys. Put in chat box. Okay, so let me just copy this new one and let me see how it works here. And even the Copilot, I just delete and just paste it here. Let's try. हाँ पर्सन का इमेज नहीं बनाएगी but as it told, yes, so it's not copyrighted. You see, the person image is different. See, person face is different because it is AI generated. First of all, right? You see, so it is AI generated, right? So even though you are creating from, see, now अभी देखो कितना अच्छा बनाया है. You see, so realistic, right? So same cloths because it's a fashion, right? So clothes का main हम branding कर रहे हैं, correct? Yes or no? ये copyright नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये फेस चेंज हो रहा है. हम खाली क्या कर रहे हैं, लुक चेंज कर रहे हैं और एआई के थ्रू, इट इज जनरेटेड थ्रू एआई, सो इट नॉट गोइंग टू बी ट्रीट एज ए कॉपीराइट. डोंट वरी. इज दैट क्लियर फॉर एवरीवन? So I think from now onwards you will able to create this kind of images instead of creating just crappy images. Yes? No? How many of you uh, understanding this full flow? Put in the chat. I am fully. What about others? Others are sleeping. For example, Akriti, Amrut, Hari, Laddu ji, Pratik, Satish, Pipin Clear. Okay. Okay. Fine. So let's move to our. So we recreated our full images through AI. Now let's move to the articles. AI articles repurposing. Now, how we can repurpose articles? For example, there is a blog somebody has written. How we can repurpose? Okay, how we can repurpose? So what we can do? We can just copy paste the article into AI and ask them to rewrite. For example, let me. I can just take some articles itself here. Text you articles. Any articles you can take. Anybody go and check any articles you will find. Well, maybe I can just copy paste some articles. Not here. Some. Hmm. I'm just giving one example. Okay, you can check. You can get anyone. Maybe soft skill पे लेना तो soft skill. Yeah, let's say soft skill. So let's say. So you can just copy paste. I think it's not a good one. Hmm. Here, this one is good. So just you can copy paste full thing. Okay. Copy paste and go to chat GPT and just paste it here and say to chat GPT, sorry, just let me stop and rewrite. So I just copy paste the article and will tell to chat GPT, hey chat GPT, rewrite article for me. Okay. And then I can say here article, rewrite below and article spelling. I'm very bad at spellings. Okay. So don't judge me here. Now, so this is the article and asking, hey ChatGPT, rewrite. This is a very easiest method. Okay. But I will show you some other way. Okay. This is a anybody can do it. Go and write article by just copy pasting. So okay. So it just rewrite for us here. See, it is written full article for us. Okay, so you can just copy paste the article for your purpose. Now, why it is important for us? You know, in if you do Google search, right? So you may find some articles which are ranking, right? Right? Why it ranks? Anybody know why it ranks? Put in chat. SEO. Okay. Okay. SEO will come only when people will like it, right? Or it has keywords, right? Yes. Great. Roni Biswas. Great. What else? Come on, guys. Why it ranks? Why people see those articles? So, okay. My main thing here is what if we can also write that kind of articles for our businesses? What good contents are there? Okay, right. So, what if we can rewrite those articles for our businesses, right? With the same keywords, but it should not be copied, right? It should not be copyright, right? Yes or no? So, it is possible with AI. See, for example, I had written this article in the very simple um, prompt. Rewrite article for me, and this is the article below. But maybe maybe it is not the we don't know the keywords, right? Don't know the whether these articles, this chat GPT is written is in the same flow that person has written, same tone that person has written or not, or whether this content is like people will understand like this is AI written or something. Don't know, right? So we need to tell ChatGPT, here's ChatGPT, we want this article in a such a way that the same flow, the same tone, the same keywords can be used for rewriting our article. Okay, so how to do that? For that, so we need to analyze on these parameters. Yeah. So analyze on these parameters: flow, vocab it used by article, words it uses, the tone it uses, the length it uses, right? So we need to analyze on this. Okay, flow, vocab, words, tones, and length. And based on these parameters, we'll rewrite this full article. Clear? Yes or no, guys? Clear? Put in the chat box. What is happening here? Yes, yes, yes. It's clear. Let us say no. See, I just written simple prompt here, right? Rewrite. But we don't know the same flow will be used or not. The same tone will be is used or not, right? Because maybe people will understand. Okay, this full article is written by AI. Why to read, right? But to avoid those kind of situations and maintain those kind of tones, the flow, the language, the length, you must tell ChatGPT, right, to write uh, in the same flow, same manner. Okay, so let me just copy paste the prompt. Give me 1 second. I will tell ChatGPT. I will tell here instead of writing this one, we'll say, hey ChatGPT, analyze nice this below article for me. The below article based on the following parameters. So let me just copy the parameters. What was that parameters? Flow, vocab, words, flow, vocab, tone, length. Okay, length, flow, vocab, words. Okay, fine. So we'll ask ChatGPT analyze this and then tell us how this full article is written. Okay, just let me run this. Is this clear? What is happening here? Put in the chat. Be active, guys. I know it's a dinner time. Yes, clear. Put in the chat. Bipin says yes. What about others? Hari says yes. I see many people here. Amrut, Pratik, Raghu, Roni, Satish, Kriti, Hari. Okay, fine. So you see now, for us, it's till how the flow is, how the vocab used, how the words are used, right? What is the tone, right? What is the length, and full summary it says, right? How it's important? It is important because by this, we are training to Chat GPT. We're training Chat GPT. Just analyze this flow and everything, and based on that, let's rewrite content again. Okay. Okay, now what I will tell, now I will just say, now rewrite. Even if you, Ronnie, if you act as a professional article writer, right? You will not find the same flow. You will not find the same tone, and also the way the words are used, right? So since it is the keywords are used, the SUs are used, right? So you may not be you not be able to write the same way, the way it's written. So why I'm telling, because this is very important, and these parameters are very important when you're writing your article. Of course, you can go and try it, is act as a professional and do this, but you may not get the same result. Okay, is that clear? No, I'm not saying not wrong. I'm just saying what can be the possibility. Okay, now rewrite the article. Keeping. Okay. Okay. So now when it writes for us, it will use the same words, same kind of words, same of tones, right? And if you just compare this, right, you'll find that same tone, same way it is written, right? For example, if you read this, right, if you are new to workforce, you probably read articles about it, right? So, so see, now if you're new to workforce, you have probably heard about the importance of building skills like this. Now, if you compare, there are same kind of flow is going, okay, right? You will find only little differences, but the same flow, same words are used here. By this way, we can just keep the tonality, keep the words, right? All those things in place. Clear? You, yes, you can ask. Or you can ask, see, Ronnie, you can ask like, can you give me the parameters by which I can just analyze this full article? Understanding? So then, based on that, then you can rewrite the prompt. See, I'm telling you because see, you should understand the concept. If you don't know the concept, how are you going to write these prompts? Till now, in front of you, I'm writing the prompt, right? I'm not just copy pasting everything. I'm writing also in front of you by just telling you concepts. Yes or no? Put in the chat. Yes, no. Right. So see, all these prompts I have written because I use the concept behind it. Hmm? Now it's amazing. You know why? I will tell you the next section, which will blow your mind. Okay, I will tell you. I will telling you. This is just piece of thing. Now let me show something else. Now you know that these parameters, right? Now how it is helpful for us? You can use the same parameters for creating any content, for creating any articles, right? If you know these parameters, you can create any articles, any blogs based on this. You can copy paste that article and say, "Hey ChatGPT, rewrite this article based on these parameters." Yes or no? Any content, anything you can write on based on this. Clear? Okay. Let me just go. We are already late. Yeah. Now let's go to the crafting AI driven YouTube content. I hope you guys have enough time to listen to me. I'm boring you. Hello? Clear? Am I boring you guys? Yes, sir, you're boring you. Okay. Okay. Now, how we can use this for YouTube? Okay. See, if you have the transcript of, see, YouTube is the second best platform for search engine. Why? Because the first search engine is your Google, where you find some web results. The second is the video contents. So I know many people who working, right. If they do not find anything on Google, they go to the YouTube and search the same thing. How to do this? Yes or no? Clear? So our YouTube is the second best place where you search things, right? Now I can say people more like to watch videos to find solutions, right? Because they clearly understand, okay, this is how it happens. So whenever you search anything, you'll also find some YouTube videos. For example, how to do email. I'm giving example. My screen is visible, right? Yes, no. Okay, okay. Mailchimp. Anyway, Mailchimp is always be there. Okay, let me how to le- see. Next is videos coming, right? After results, you see the videos and all. Yes or no? So videos are the next our second search place, correct? So how we can utilize for our content? How we can utilize these for our content? For example, suppose let me go to YouTube here. Um, let's say email marketing. Okay, let's go to email marketing itself. For example, this person is showing some tips, right? Telling some tips. Okay, I will re-share my screen with the audio. Okay, then let me share my screen with audio. My screen is visible, guys? Yes, no? Put in chat. Yeah. Okay. So this person is explaining about email marketing. Now I want it, since if I search email marketing, this is the first person I see, right? This is the first video basically I see. It means it is ranking and people are watching, like to watch this. Yes or no? What if I create the same kind of content, same kind of video for myself, for my business? Imagine you are in the marketing field. Maybe you are in the soft skill, so you can just go for soft skill search. But I'm just giving you an example. So the moment I search for email marketing, I get this video here, right? Because it's a highly likable by audience. So it means I also should create this kind of videos so that people like and watch, and also my video go to rank video, right? Yes or no? Put in chat, guys. Understandable what I'm trying to say?
SEO account managers. If you are great
Yeah.
at speaking to clients over Zoom or Google Meets and
To our ebook. So how we can repurpose this content and create for our business? To do that, in every videos in YouTube video, you will find transcripts. Okay, apart from your audios, right? Songs. So if you go down, कहाँ रहता है ये? If you go down here, yeah, here transcript. You see transcript. Click on the show transcript, and if you click here, you see all transcripts comes. What this person is explaining here, all things came here. Now what I will do, I will just click on three dots and say toggle timestamps. Clear. Now imagine if this video is people are liking, right? When you search email marketing, people are liking this video. Imagine if I create a blog or article on based on this uh, full script. Whatever this person is saying in the video, if I create the article on this so that people go and imagine people go and read this, so that your blog started ranking. Clear? Understanding? There is a video. Let's create the blog or article, right? Because it's ranking, people are liking. Why not create one more blog for it or one more article for it? So how to do that? Just copy full thing here. What a great thought. Yes, I have many thoughts, Guru. Okay, just copy this. So I just copy this and just go to same place and paste it. Sorry. And then I will just use the same prompt. There is that here. I just edit it and okay, delete and paste it here. Okay, so now I will say analyze it based on that, all tones, everything, and then deep rewrite it. I'll say rewrite article. Uh, how to say keeping. Okay, so now we have rewritten the article based on the transcript, and this article I can write. I can use for my blog or my LinkedIn profile or somewhere, because people are liking it, right? Why not? They let's go for article itself. Is that clear for everyone? Yes, no. Put in chat. How many of you mind blown till now? Come on, guys. I see many people are there and very few are interacting. Am I boring you? Short summary of what you short summary is this. So what I have done, I just went to YouTube. I just searched for any, suppose anything you, for example, you tell me how to how to learn English. Okay, right. So I just see who is giving best result, right? So this person has this video has a good result because it's ranking at very top. So why not I can create a similar kind of article based on this transcript, based on the what person is saying, right? I just went to
In
Arey ads.
2023, if you are not using AI for your creating your PowerPoints, then your
How do you speak English fluently?
ठीक है. So this Ranveer is saying something. So what I will go to more and just copy the transcript from here. Click on show transcript. You will find in each videos. Okay. If you go down, expand the description, you'll find show transcript. Click on that, and the moment you click here, you will find full transcript here. And based on that, you can recreate a article because people are liking and it's ranking on the first, right? Very top. Is that clear? Yes, no. Yes, no. But the problem is you will not see transcript for many languages. For example, if person is saying the Telugu language, okay, let's try for some, see this person's video is ranking now, but the problem is if you go just
తెలుగు మిత్రులందరికీ స్వాగతం. నా పేరు
if you
రవికిరణ్.
go
మీరు
to
చూస్తుంది డిజిటల్ మార్కెటింగ్
if
తెలుగు.
you go to more, you may not find the option of transcript. Clear? Yes or no? Put in the chat box. Understanding what I'm asking? So what we'll do then? So for that, there is a extension in the Chrome which is called transcript and summary. Okay. So here also you'll not find. See, if you, for example, if you're not able to see here transcript, you will install extension called transcript and summary. I know it is a universal language, but what if there is a language, there is but you're not able to transcribe, right, in other language? I'm just giving an example. Okay. So maybe in Telugu something is ranking, correct, right? Or let's say it's in Instagram. It's not in YouTube. It's in Instagram. How you will transcribe that? How you will get the transcription? No, how? I mean, you first you should get the full transcription, right? You asking, can't we translate the Telugu language in English on Chat GPT? You can, we can, but you should know, you should have the transcription first available. Yeah, yes or no? How you see? You should first you should have the transcriptions to convert in the Chat GPT. Yes or no? But there is no transcription at all. How you will going to convert? Is that clear, guys? Come on, energy. Hello, I'm there. Come on. Energy needed. Yes, yes, yes. I will show, but video to text. Yes, there is a AI called Descript. Okay. How long this video is? It's 15 minutes. Okay. Fine. Anyway, so what we will do, we'll get the take a short video. Okay, let's see some short. So we need to download the video first. Okay, if you there is a rare case where you do not able to find, let's see if there is a sort. Okay, this is sort. So what we will do, we will just download the video. Okay, so there is many downloaders in the market. SSTube, Py2Mate, right? All those downloaders you can go and free download. For example, if you go to SSTube, SSTube, or you just search for YouTube downloaders, you will find it. So this is let's say safe. This is also good. Save from net. This is also a good one. Okay, so free. It's a free one. So I will just go and give the link. It asking for the link. Paste the link, video link here. So what I will do, this is a Telugu video.
అంటే ఏంటి, ఈమెయిల్ మార్కెటింగ్ ఎందుకు ఇంపార్టెంట్ అనేది ఈ వీడియోలో అయితే మనం
Okay, so what I will do, I'll just click on share and you will get some link here. Copy this link, paste it here, download. Mm, yeah, let's download. Doesn't matter 360 or 720, doesn't matter.
ఈమెయిల్ మార్కెటింగ్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఈమెయిల్ మార్కెటింగ్ ఎందుకు
The
ఇంపార్టెంట్
video
అనేది
is
ఈ వీడియోలో అయితే మనం నేర్చుకుందాం. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఈమెయిల్ మార్కెటింగ్ కన్నా ముందు ఈమెయిల్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఈమెయిల్ అంటే ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ మెయిల్. ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ మెయిల్ అనేది ఏంటి అంటే, ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏదైతే డిజిటల్ డివైసెస్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నామో దాని
guys, till now clear. I just downloaded one short video and okay, one more thing before going to that place, I wanted to just forget to share this one. So not only that you can create article, but also you can create videos based on that, right? For example, we'll come to that. So for example, you just transcription, right? This transcribe this full this video, right? Now you can recreate for AI videos from this, okay, using tools like in video or picture. Okay, we can cover later maybe somewhere. Okay, but this is the thing, you can create article as well as videos. Okay, it's not only limited to article, you can also create videos as well. Okay, so here I just downloaded from SSTube. This is we covered already. Now what I will do, you can do the same thing with the Instagram. Okay, in the Instagram also you will get the link of the Instagram, right? Copy the link and go to the IG downloader. Go to the IG downloader. Just note it down. Okay, I told you should be ready with the copy pen. Okay, there is IG downloader. Okay, here save from net is the good thing. I think you can download from any here you can select Facebook, YouTube, anything. See, Instagram, Facebook. You can just save this. Save from net. Let me just copy paste. Okay. So here you can go and download from any place. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. So we can just copy paste any of the real link. For example, let me go to home here and then go to reels and here if you click on these three dots you will get the link. See, copy link. Okay, some creators allow you to download, maybe not all. Okay, and go and paste it here and click on download, it will download. So this is way how you download Instagram videos and YouTube videos. I think this is a very simple thing. No need to explain, right? Clear? Yes, no? So now what I have done, I have just downloaded the video. Now how I can create a script from there, because it's in other language, there is no script available. Okay, suppose it's not in the YouTube, it's somewhere else. See, YouTube में तो मिल गया मेरे को. I am able to get from YouTube, it's fine. But what if it is coming from some other places like Vimeo or some other places? What I will do then? Yes or no? So in that case we have the tool called Descript. Just search for Descript and then here descript.com. Go to descript.com here and log into this. It is free for some at least some videos, some 10 to 20 videos. Then you can change the account, no worries, right? So here you will open one place where you can create a project. If you click on the new project here, in the projects there is a new project. Click on the projects and I say video project, and the video project I upload the file of the video. Okay, go to and I just see the Telugu one I uploaded. Okay, And see, it is analyzing and writing for us. And you can also choose in which language you're looking for. Okay, so I will tell in maybe in the English. Okay, and then done. And now it will analyze and write for us. Is that clear for everyone? Yes, no. Hari says yes. What about others? Okay, so it will write for us and you can just wonderful. Okay, what about others? Pratik, Roni, Satish, Akriti, Amrut. Okay, others are sleeping or having dinner. I know many of you just keep it in the phone here aside and having dinner and just listening to me. Don't do that, otherwise your focus will be lost. Okay. See, so from Telugu it changed to English, and now this can be used for us to create new short video for in English format. In English, you can create full from this, copy and just recreate this short. Is that clear? Or you can write article also. It is short video, but I don't prefer to write in a short video article. You can go for creating a short video based on this script. You can also create in the English. You can create in Telugu again. Yes. Is that clear? How many of you mind blown now till now? You can copy full thing and use it. Okay. Good. Great. So this is a transcript app, Descript, or you can also use Clipchamp, Microsoft Clipchamp. Okay, basically it is a video editor tool where it also provides its own AI to transcribe video. So that's a free. If you go for Microsoft Clipchamp, I have used very long time ago Microsoft Clipchamp. You can download and use. I also have in my computer itself, Microsoft Clipchamp. Anyway, so if you go to Clipchamp, you can use that the same thing. Try this. I think you can try and tell me how it works. Is that clear? Yes, no? So we come to know how to transform videos to articles using AI, how to repurpose the competitors' content, right? How to transcribe any articles, sorry, YouTube videos and use for short videos and any language videos, how you can transcribe. Okay. What if we do not have video in the YouTube, instead of it is in the Vimeo or Vistia, right? Maybe some videos are not in the YouTube, right? Maybe not in the Instagram, some other places, right? So basically after this YouTube, the second, or I can say third platform is Vimeo and Vistia. Okay, these are the video platforms, sharing platforms. Okay, there you can install Vimeo download extension in the Chrome browser. Vimeo downloader. Anybody heard about Vimeo and Vistia? Put in chat first of all. Or just I'm talking and nobody is knowing about it. Okay. So you can download this extension, Vimeo downloader extension. See, Vimeo downloader for Vimeo, you see here, Web Chrome Store. So you can just install this extension in the Chrome browser, and whenever you open a Vimeo, there you will see the extensions like this. Here, if I go to the similar way we saw right here, transcript and summary. The best platform that similar way you also see Vimeo downloader. There you can download the video and then you can go to Descript, upload it and generate the transcriptions and use it for your purpose. Clear? Is that clear? Yes, no? Yes, no, guys. Roni says yes. Okay. Now, till now, how many of you think that this session is valuable and you are going to use for your purpose? I want everybody to try this. Okay, whatever you just learned here. Okay, so there are a lot of things. It's just a surface level I touched. Okay, we have the 15 days challenge we do, right? There we touch a lot of things there, and it's give you very good insight on anything related to your business. Okay, anyway, let's come to the bonus. Okay, so I said I will say you bonus. So the first bonus I'm going to tell you how you can use a free AI tool like ChatGPT O 4o, an image generation tool for your purpose for free for experiments. For example, now ChatGPT I'm using, for example, paid one. Okay, don't worry, these all prompts can be used in the free version also. Don't worry. Okay, no, don't take tension. Oh my God, I will not use. Don't think like that. You can use in the free also. Even you can use Gemini also. Okay. So, but I am going to tell you one AI where you can do some free experiments on various platforms like ChatGPT 4o, Meta. Meta has its own Luma, right? Luma AI. Those platforms you can do. Not only that, you can also create a realistic images for free. Okay. So note it down in your notebook. The name of the AI is Carousel. Sorry, Cordcell. Cordcell.io. Cordcell.io. So if you go to the Cordcell.io, you should log in it first. Basically, this Cordcell is made for the developers, okay, who wanted to use APIs for their purpose. But you can also try out. Let me just log in. Okay. So here, if I go to, okay, not here. Let me just go to dashboard. 1 second. Go to home. Where is the place? Give me 1 second. I'm just looking for one place where you can see both API dashboard. Where is that place? APIs. Okay, click on API. Let me see. Give me 1 second. I forgot used a lot time ago. Images. Here you can use chat, but I'm looking for something else, which is really mind blowing. Okay, you can generate images. Okay, anyway, I will find out maybe later. But here you can generate both things basically, images as well as chat you can do. So, for example, if I show you, maybe go back to my dashboard. You can go and create images here. If I paste the same content I just used earlier, same prompt, okay, so it will create for us. So there are many engine here. There are many engines. See, it's showing only port. Yes, man, there is a board, man. Okay, anyway, I will find it out. But maybe I'm not able to find, but you maybe find. I'll take time to just find out. But this is a for free. You can go and try out your all these experiments. Okay, so here you can also select the GPTs. Okay, I don't know why it's not showing here. Okay, anyway, I don't want to stuck here. I'll show you later, but maybe in the next classes. And I'm going to show you one more amazing thing for you: how to create a portfolio page. Okay, live. Anybody use Claude before? Raise your hand. Claude AI before? No. Only ChatGPT you have used. Okay. So let me show you one amazing thing for you. Twice before, okay. I'm going to Claude. Claude is another AI platform. It is not by OpenAI. It's a different AI distributor. So let me just put here. अरे यार इसको why is it really needed? Give me 1 second, guys. Just 1 second, huh? Hmm. Yeah. So this is a clause similar to your chat GPT, okay? And I want you to explore this because it's a very amazing AI. And if you say, I will ask, similar to chat GPT, will ask, create a folio page for me. I'll say I am a digital marketer. I am a, for example, I'm giving just say I'm the marketer. Simple prompt. Let's see what happens. Now it's creating a, see here. Now it's creating for us. It is asking for details. I just say, okay, you use your idea, own idea, just create it. Now it's writing full HTML, everything. Now the good part is you can see this in live, how it looks. Okay, let me just show you. See here. See this page, how it looks. You can ask this Claude, just change the color. I can say change theme to red and black. And every, and not only that, each and every section you can change just by talking to this Claude, and it'll change for you. And it can be exported and shared to your audience. Amazing, right? Put in chat box if it is amazing or not. So you don't need to write and code. Like, see, it changed everything. So you can also give more details. I just given very few details. I asked just create it. Otherwise, you can just say I need these details in my page, and it will create for you. And also it gives you code, raw code, which can be shared to your developer. Man, I am looking for this kind of thing, right? So if you wanted to create any portfolio for yourself, you can create it here easily. But the chat GPT will not give you this live preview and everything. And you cannot change live what is happening here, everything. Is that clear? How many of you mind blown after this? See, I'm just giving very few things. If you give more context, what I am, who I am, what is my services, it will give you everything, and all for free. Clear? So go and try this Claude and use this for your creating web pages. So it's a one example. There are many examples that can be useful for data. I said people use for data analysis, right? This is very good tool. You can try out this one. Clear? Yes, no? Put in chat. Or still people are sleeping. Guys, clear, clear, clear. Okay. So this is all about today's content hacking. There are a lot of things to cover, but the amount of time it requires is a lot of I need to invest. So this is how content hacking works. I hope everybody's like my content and enjoy. How many of you enjoy? Just raise your hand and put in the chat. Yes, I enjoyed, and I'm going to use this concept in my content. Satish says yes. Bipin, Hari, Laddu, मजा आ गया अभी. Okay. What about others? How many of you like to listen more from me? Satish, Roni, Laddu, Hari, Bipin. I will come back later. Akriti. Okay. Come on. अगर ऐसे बोलोगे तो फिर मैं नहीं आऊंगा बाद में. Share the first details prompt. Okay, fine. Guys, okay. Fine. The prompts I will share. Don't worry. Okay. Now where I can talk to you. You can reach out to me. I will give you details. Okay. Maybe you are already in the group. I will share the details. Okay. So now these are the contents. Maybe later, someday I will come back with a good contents, and it will help you a lot to mm, take your business to the next level. This is just a small thing. There are many. The image generation tools I shown you, right? It's a very small. There can be better things can be made from by using various tools, right? I will share later. Fine. So that's all from my side. Time for connect. I will share. You can go to. I will share in the group. Okay. I'll share in the group. Fine. Any questions you have, guys, before I leave and I hand over to Raj. Raj has something to talk about. Talk. So don't leave this stage, please. There is something to talk. But before I hand over, any questions you guys have?
Yeah, anybody has any questions? A specific question to Abhishek? Yeah, you can stop your sharing, Abhishek.
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Okay, all right. I hope you guys enjoy. ये थोड़ा लंबा content था. It was a heavy loaded content, but I hope you enjoy it, right? You got some value. कुछ मजा आ गया. I mean, this I think these are all concepts which we share right now. You can apply in your business, okay? And trust me, ये छोटा सा part है, okay? We are doing a lot of things. My goal is that what we are working on a project, okay? उस प्रोजेक्ट में क्या जैसे आई एम गिविंग सम एग्जांपल ओके सपोज यू आर लाइफ कोच और सपोज यू आर अ स्टॉक मार्केट कोच whatever niche you are working, okay? So we are building an application, a project where you have to just configure, you have to just tell my application ki hey, I am life coach, I am this is my what I want to do, okay? And my application will do everything for you. Because यहाँ अभी क्या आपने क्या देखा है कि I know that you can do a lot of automation, but still there's some manual work, okay? So my goal is that कि मैं I want to create such system, some project जहाँ पर as a entrepreneur, as a business owner, you don't have to focus on content creation. Your AI or your twins or your आपका समझो कि जुड़वा और आपका एक I will create another person like you, okay, which will create content on massive scale on automation. So this is what we are working on, okay? Yeah. So by the way, how many of you got some value? Did you find some? I hope you guys find some lot of values in this, and I hope you will enjoy. You will implement this, okay? But this is not the end. ये बहुत ही I would say it is just a 2 to 3%. Okay, whatever we have covered, it is just 2 to 3%. It is not 100%. तो कितने लोग हैं? How many of you really want to learn more? I mean, you want to go to the next level. You want to automate everything, and not only that, you want our help in your business to grow. Okay, so anybody want to take our help, or if you want to learn more, can you put in chat box? If you have anything more desire कि मुझे और learn है, I want more help. Okay, so for those people, for those people, I'm giving one offer. Okay, so for those people, आपको क्या करना है? You can somebody asking, right? कि can I contact you? Can I get in touch with you? So this is our you can if you really want get our help, you want to contact any kind of things. So this is our official website. You can go and you can apply for consultation call or one-to-one call. Okay. बट हाँ, इसको अप्लाई करने से पहले यू शुड बी वेरी क्लियर कि व्हाट व्हाई यू वांट टू कांटेक्ट, आपका पर्पस क्या है, व्हाट प्रॉब्लम यू वांट टू डिस्कस. ओके, सो गो अहेड एंड यू कैन अप्लाई, यू कैन बुक अ फ्री कॉल. इट्स अ फ्री कंसल्टेशन कॉल and we will discuss. If you have any kind of problem, you want any kind of help, any kind of support, we will definitely help you. Okay, so this is all. So we are working on a lot of things, खासकर content creation, this all thing, personal branding, because it's a very important part of your business. Okay, but at the same time, it's very boring work. How many of you like it's very boring work? Though it's very important, it's a very important part of business, but it's a very boring work. So I want to automate this entire thing. So I'm working on a project where this automation, this whole thing, आपको कुछ दिमाग नहीं लगाना है. Okay, you don't have to put your mind. Everything will happen on automation, and we are creating application. और यहाँ पर आपको prompt, because here you have to write a prompt. Okay, मैं उसको भी eliminate करना चाहता हूँ. So as a business owner, you don't have to write prompt because you are not a prompt engineer, right? तो मैं उसको भी eliminate कर रहा हूँ. I'm creating a project application जहाँ पर सब कुछ automation में होगा. And you have to just tell application, okay, this is my client, this is my customer persona. I want to achieve this, everything will happen by the application. So we are still working, we are building that application. Okay. But meantime, if anybody want to connect, and if you have any kind of sort of problem, you want any kind of help, with respect to business, with respect to content creation, with respect to personal branding, or with respect to growth. Okay, I hope majority of you might have joined already our webinar, which we keep doing webinar. So this session is not a webinar. So we always, every Sunday, at 7 p.m. we try to find some common problem which our industry is facing, and we try to come up with some content. Okay, so ये पूरा help होता है, यहाँ कोई selling नहीं करते हैं. So this is what we want to give back. So every Sunday, so guys, you are in the group, please stay in the group. Maybe next Sunday we will plan something amazing. Okay, so every Sunday we plan something amazing content which helps some problem in your niche, in your business. Okay, but meantime, अगर आपको किसी को help चाहिए, you can, this is a website, you can reach out to us. And people who wanting the prompt, right? किसी को the file that Abhishek share, right? I want this file, I want the access of this file, and I want the prompt. So उसके लिए एक process है. So guys, here what you have to do, you have to send an email. Okay, जिनको prompt चाहिए, जिनको access चाहिए, because I know that you have invested your lot of time here. Okay, so I don't want कि ये time आपका बेकार चला जाए. You just utilize this time, and this recording will be also available on our YouTube channel. Don't worry. तो अगर आपको किसी को फाइल का जो प्रॉम्प्ट है, अगर वो प्रॉम्प्ट चाहिए, तो आई हैव शेयर इन द चैट बॉक्स, दैट इज आवर ऑफिशियल ईमेल एड्रेस, support@xscalify.com. You just send an email, okay, कि I want the file, I want the prompt, and tomorrow you will get all the file through the emails. Okay, so as of now I have seen 2 people has already sent the email. What is that? Let me rename. His name is Shubham Chauhan, and another is Hari Shankar. Okay, so the people who have already sent email, don't worry, I will reply you back, and you will get the access of that file and all the prompt. Okay, so anyone want to get the access, just drop an email and we will provide you access. Otherwise, if you want to connect with us, with our team, with Abhishek or myself, ये हमारा official email website है. You can go there, you can book a call, it's a free call. Okay, so this is all from my side. I hope you got enjoy. 2 घंटे 2.2 घंटे हो चुके हैं, right? Okay, so next Sunday, anybody here want some specific session next Sunday? कोई, can you put in chat box आपको क्या सीखना है? I mean, in your what problem you're facing right now, and for which topic you want a session next Sunday. So we will plan. Okay, sales. Okay, let's do saying sales. Okay, anybody, which topic you want to learn more? And these all topic are very free and it's a high value content. The free का इसका मतलब इन इसका value बहुत ही कम है. Okay, so sales पे चाहिए, right? Anybody, can you put in chat box आपको और क्या सीखना है? What you want to learn more? Free, high value. Sales सीखना है? Anybody? Lead generation सीखना है? Okay, perfect. Okay, so lead generation, I will cover entire process using LinkedIn automation, Okay, sales. I'm just making a note. Sales, lead generation. Any topic, guys? I will select that topic, and next Sunday we will prepare a nice content so that we can help you. Okay, so sales, lead generation. Okay. Any more topic? Anything you want to discuss? Anyone? No. Okay. ठीक है, sales. Okay. So if you have any questions, okay, just drop an email, and if you want to apply for that. Okay, and connect with our team. अगर आपको one-to-one conversation करना है, if you want to get help in one-to-one call, we will help you and welcome you. Okay. So this is all, guys. Have a nice. I think dinner का time हो चुका है. It's a time for dinner. So go back and thanks for joining this session. I hope we are able to add some value. आपको कुछ learning हुआ होगा, and this all session will help you. Okay. Create roadmap for aspiring coaches. Okay, I make a note. Okay. 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 Aspiring coaches. Okay. Any more topic, guys? RJDS. What is this RJDS, my friend? Bipin. अच्छा, regards. Okay. ठीक है. Okay, ठीक है. Anybody want to share the topic? आपको कुछ और सीखना है which you are not learning right now. You want help in that topic. We will create a content on that to just help you, to support you. Anyone? No? Okay, ठीक है. ठीक है भाई. So good night. Take care, and thank you for everyone joining. Okay, I will see you next Sunday. Okay. तो next Sunday हम लोग we will planning some exciting thing. कुछ नया लेके आते हैं next Sunday. So till then, wait for next Sunday. And meantime, अगर आपको कुछ help चाहिए, कुछ support चाहिए, we have shared the link. Okay. And if you want to connect, we can connect in personally also. Okay. चलिए, ठीक है. Good night. Take care. Bye.